Hi everyone. So in this video we'll see how we can download and install Xcode, and we will also see how we can download and install multiple versions of Xcode and use Xcode for a different Xcode for our different projects. So let's say for example you are working on two different projects, and one project is running on Xcode 14 and the other project is running on Xcode 13. So how we can do that, how we can simultaneously work on two different projects, that we'll see. So first step is to just go to App Store, and on App Store on the search tab just type Xcode and hit enter. So the first result that you will get, uh, just click on that, and here you will find an option to download the Xcode, the latest version of Xcode, which is whichever is the stable. You can see that the Xcode is a pretty much heavy software, so the file size is 7.8 GB. So you will need a stable internet connection or high speed internet connection to download this, and you will find much more information about this Xcode. And you can see if this version of Xcode is compatible with your Mac by clicking over here, by checking this information. So just click on the download button, and once installed, just click on open button. So you will see the latest Xcode installed, and you are able to use the latest version of the Xcode. But let's say you don't want this, you want the older version of Xcode, or you want to try out the latest beta version whichever the Apple may have released. So to do that, just go to this website. So the website is developer.apple.com/download/all. So come here to this site. It will first ask you to log in with your Apple ID. So just log in with your Apple ID, and once you are here, you can find all the latest versions or older versions of all the software which Apple has to provide. So you can see all the list. One more thing, if you don't see this on the download page, just make sure that you are on this more tab over here. So in the search bar, just type Xcode, hit enter, and from the results you can see the filtered results for only Xcode. So all these tools are related to Xcode. So from here you can download all the latest versions. So right now you can see that there is Apple has just released Xcode 14.3 beta version on February 16. So if you want to download it and use it, you can just click on this view details and download this file and install this version. So by this way you can install any number of versions, and you can have installed multiple versions in your Mac. uh, but the question is, if you are installed multiple versions, and if you are having a project which is running on uh, different versions of Xcode, so how we can do that? So to do that, go to Xcode, open Xcode. Once you install Xcode and open it, it will first look something like this. You may not have any projects at the right side, and this is the information which you will see. So to create a new Xcode project and all, we will see this in later videos, but in this video we'll see how we can use different versions of Xcode for our different projects. So right now you can see I am on Xcode 14.2, and 14.3 is the beta is just released. So I'm on stable version 14.2. So to do that, so to do use multiple Xcode versions for different projects, just from the menu bar just click on Xcode, and you will see a settings option here. Just click on this settings, and yeah, so here you can see multiple options. So from here just go to this locations tab, and from here you can see this command line tool. So here what are the number of Xcodes versions you may have installed, you will see all the list over here. So currently I'm only having Xcode 14.2, so you can only see Xcode 14.2 here. But if you have installed multiple versions of the Xcode, like if you already installed Xcode 13, and now you are installing Xcode 14 also, so you can see both the Xcode from here. And if one of your project is running on Xcode 13, so you can come over here, change this to Xcode 13 and run the project, it will work. So this is how you can do that. And from these are the settings tab for the Xcode. So from the themes you can select the themes. So I prefer this presentation a large dark theme, and from here text editing options you will have multiple options. You can choose it as you want, or you can copy my options. And yeah, so indentation, all your options will be here. So under locations tag, under command line tool, you can do it. And you just need to come over to this site, developer.apple.com download/all, and just make sure you are logged in with your Apple ID, and you can just search in to this search bar Xcode, and you will find all the informations you want. So in the next video we'll see um, how we can start a new project in Xcode, and we'll explore different settings of Xcode. So thank you.